Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best dealership leads with Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first I'm going to type in small businesses, and today we're going to Detroit. I just felt like, auto industry stuff would be a good location. Detroit, oh my goodness, Detroit, Michigan. And Detroit's so huge that I'm actually going to just up the radius to like 30. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna add that, and then next to lock it in, industries, we're gonna do dealerships. And today I'm coming at this from a digital marketer perspective. Dealerships. I'm gonna hit add. This is in Coldlytics 2.0, we added the sanity check so you can check out the businesses that will show up on your lead sheet. And if you don't like them, you can just change around the search term. But I'm happy with dealerships, so I'm just gonna add it, hit next to lock it in. Seniority levels, we have owners and founders, and we have directors and executives. We are only doing one per company, so we are kind of targeting the owner. But just in case the owner has a C-suite title, it'll account for that as well. So I'm gonna hit next to lock that in. Today for the filters, we have a couple. The first one we want to do is Google review. We're gonna ignore the review count and add a review score, so between 3 and 5. And we want to target companies between a 3 and 5 because there's going to be better companies to work with. If they are well received by their clients and customers, then you just know that they're going to be easier to deal with. And the benefit for you is like they're not going to be a hard client. They'll have reasonable expectations, good communication. So this just ensures that you're working with a great company. Next filter we're gonna do is Google Map search position, which is just kind of like SEO ranking. I want to do between 6 and 12, and we're looking for um, companies that have like some marketing work and like you know, um, companies that have marketing work. I'm just gonna rewind this. That have good SEO, but not like great SEO, like great as in like they already have another digital marketing firm working for them. Um, and the benefit to you for working with a company in this SEO range is that like you're not like super competing for like another dealership's business, because then it just puts them in, like the ball is in their hands, the ball is in their court, and you don't want to be like pushed around because they already always have like another option they can go for if they're not happy with your work. So this just ensures that you're working with a good company that knows about marketing, that wants to improve, and they're not going to be pushing you around. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. Finally, we just want to see if they have ad pixels on their websites. So I'm going to scroll down to advertisers. We want to see if they advertise on Facebook or if they advertise on Google or if they advertise on LinkedIn. And that way, if we see an ad pixel, we know that they like care about marketing, and they at least know, they at least know why they're hiring a digital marketing agency. Like it's not like you're like out there trying to convince them that they need marketing. Like they already know, like their foot is already in the door is what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna hit next, and then we're gonna go to our deliver section, and we're gonna select all of these except for direct dial. But specifically for a marketer, you want to look at review count, review score, GMV profile, GMV claimed. We're gonna ignore direct dial. We want to see all their social media. Revenue headcount and data established is like important as well. More important if you're like trying to sell one of these companies like an actual product, but it's still gonna be useful when you're like finding the perfect lead to craft the perfect email to. All these metrics are really useful. We have our ad pixels here again, and then the rest of this stuff, Google Analytics, e-commerce, WordPress, page speed, just gets to a better insight of like how their like website technology and like web presence is. And then search term, search location, search term, search location, and search position are all SEO related stuff. But we're gonna add all these metrics. We're gonna hit next. We don't need any additional notes. So I'm going to finish with that. Make sure to give your task a title, and make sure to save a copy just in case you have to go back and edit it or the task gets canceled. You cancel the task to edit it. You're not resetting from scratch. But with that being said, I'm going to launch this. So now we have our dealerships in Detroit allocating back in our task view. And the good thing about, or my apologies, when a task is allocating and once you launch it, it'll be ready in about 24 hours, your lead sheet. So yes, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video and the content, and this is how you buy. And now that we're back on our task overview, you can see that our dealerships in Detroit task is allocating, which just means that it'll be ready in 24 hours. And with that being said, I hope this helps you find the best dealership leads with Coldlytics, and I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.